This one is splashy fish.
I wonder why. He's actually pretty good on this one. I bet he can't get 10. Shit.
This one is called Iron Pants. Instead of tapping, you have to hold it. Shit.
He's used
So
to that.
hard
He
playing-
can't get one.
So hard playing it like this.
His high score's 15.
Whoa! Shit.
Okay, we're gonna swap over now.
Right, Harry's playing Flappy Duck now.
Woo! I'm a ducky and I'm gonna damn it.
Oh, so hard this game.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. How did that happen? Come on. Come on. Come.
Get 2, Harry. Come on. Take 1. Oh,
Okay.
for fuck's sake.
One more time.
This is it. That's it. Okay, Splashy Fish isn't working, so we're gonna set Harry up with Clumsy Bird.
Look at him snorting face.
Fucking V-Read reviews.
Everyone loves me. Shit.
Yeah, they love you.
Okay, let's have a couple
Clumsy Bird absolutely adores you.
more. Okay. Oh, that was close. I'm gonna see if I can just get 3. That's my height. If everyone needs to cheer for me if I get 3.
1, 2. Yeah!
I got 4. Yeah.
Oh my god, you got 4!